Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Now today I got another short video. Today I just wanted to show y'all how to basically wire two-step or rolling two-step via your wiper blades. Now this is the setup I'm gonna run. Like I said, usually there is no rolling anti-lag feature on Hondata, but I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can go about wiring it in to basically make it a like rolling anti-lag type of setup. So let's just hop into the video. All right, don't mind the Hot Wheels, I'm just starting them up for background, but I just want to specify because I didn't specify as much. On 1995 and under, the wire most likely is going to be black and green for y'all, and 1995 and up it might just be a white wire. Now I will throw a wiring diagram of it. The wire might be a different color for y'all, but the wiring diagram is going to be basically the same regardless of color for all Hondas, like I said, at least from 2001 and under. But yeah, I just wanted to specify that just because, like, again, 1995 and under has a black and green wire, and up it's gonna be a white wire. Now there is a white wire attached in the video, but it's just the wire I tapped in, so I could splice it and run it from that 12-volt source into D2 pin, just because I didn't specify and I didn't want to confuse y'all. So today I'm going to show you how to basically, whenever you pull back on this, your way to activate two-step. Your input for it, usually it's either the brake switch on your clutch. For me, since I have a brake clutch stopper, there was no way for the button to get fully compressed, so I had to do it on my old setup where when I was just rolling under 4 miles per hour and I held it, it would like do my launch control. Now I wanted to show you how you could do it basically by holding this, because this switch actually sends 12 volts when you hold back on it, and since you want your pin to receive the 12 volts to activate it, you're going to want to tap into this. I will throw up a diagram for y'all, but usually on the if I'm right, 95 and under, it should be the green cable. Now you can tap into it like I did here. Make sure you're receiving 12 volts. Now if you're going to tap into it and do a voltmeter and you're going to test for 12 volts, make sure that you have your key on accessory just so you have power to it, and like I said, you can hear my pump, but you're going to want to have an accessory so you can actually check this to see, or check your line to see if you're getting 12 volts. You're going to run a wire from that green wire, which I already have set up. You're going to wire it to your D2 pin brake switch right there. Whenever you hold back on this will be sending that signal through your brake switch, which again, whenever you hold back, it will activate two-step. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to set that up on the ECU. Now here are my parameters. Basically, these aren't fully set up yet. I'm gonna let my tuner set that up. As you can see, you go to your launch control activation and you'll basically set it to your brake switch. So now whenever we go to your sensors tab, you're gonna want to of course turn on your ignition. After you do all that, you're gonna want to make sure it's basically uploaded, and here we upload that, and we're on our live tuning, right? Or we have our live activated one. Now you're gonna want to go to launch control, as you can see right here. Now when we to it back, you see that? So literally, let's see if I can show you. So there we go. Now this will basically activate our two-step whenever we hold down. And again, you could always make sure by going to your sensors tab and just actually checking if it gets activated on this right here. But like I said, just a short video. I want to show you how you set up rolling anti-lag or whatever on your Hondata. And yeah, like I said, just a short video on how to set up rolling anti-lag on Hondata.